In today's video, I am going to teach you how to attach PDF to Constant Contact email. When you send an email in Constant Contact, you typically do not attach files the same way you would in a normal email inbox. Instead, you add a link in your email that people can click to open or download your PDF. This helps your message deliver better and keeps the email lightweight for your contacts. Start by opening your email draft in the Constant Contact editor and locating the spot where you want readers to click. You will need a piece of text to turn into the link. Click into your text area and type something clear like download the PDF or view the document. Then use your mouse to highlight that exact text. Make sure you only highlight the words you want clickable, because only the highlighted portion becomes the link. Next, go up to the toolbar in the editor and click the link icon. This is the tool that lets you connect your highlighted text to a destination. After you click the link icon, you will see different link options. Select the option labeled Document. This tells Constant Contact that you want the link to open a file, such as a PDF, rather than sending people to a web page. Now it is time to add your PDF. Click Upload File to upload the PDF from your computer. If you have already uploaded the file before, you can also choose it from your document library instead of uploading it again. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions with similar names. It is a good habit to use a clear descriptive file name so you can recognize it quickly in your library. Once your PDF is selected and ready, click Insert. This completes the process and applies the document link to the text you highlighted. After inserting, click outside the text area and then click the link text once to confirm it behaves like a link. Before you send your email, preview it and test the link to ensure the PDF opens properly. If everything looks correct, you are ready to continue with the rest of your email and send with confidence. And that is all there is to it.